Hi children, come we'll see our 7th chapter, getting to know plants. Okay, getting to know plants. Go outside and observe all the plants around you. Okay, see, do you see that some plants are small, some very big, while some are just patches of green on the soil? Yes, no. If you go outside and stand and if you observe the plants around you, you may see small plants, very big plants, even some just patches of green on the soil. No, yes, some have green leaves while some others have reddish ones. Some have huge red flowers, some have tiny blue ones, while some have none. Okay. We do see a variety of plants existing all around us, near our house, our homes, in the school ground. Yes, we may see so many types of plants, so which is having what? A big flower, small leaves, green leaves, okay, orange leaves. Like that we may see so many types of plants around us. No, look here, if we see around us, we may see different types of plants. Okay. Near our house, in the school ground, in the park, on the way to our home, okay. On the way to understand the differences between plants of different kinds, can you label the stem, branch, root, leaf, flower and fruit of the plant shown in figure 7.2? Okay. See here, this is the figure. Okay. Can you label the parts of the flower? Parts of the plant. This is a plant. What is it? It is a plant. Okay. Can you label it? Yes, you know. You are not a small children, no? You know. This is a leaf, flowers, stem, root. Can you label? Yeah, this is the stem, branch, roots, leaf, flower, fruit. That you know, no children. Parts of the plant. Yes, you know how to label a plant. Okay. See, this is very nice. No, you color it and you should label it. Okay, and take a picture of it and send it to me. Okay. Come, we will see the activity. Next topic, herbs, shrubs and trees. What? Herbs, shrubs and trees. Come, we will see the activity. Look closely at the stem and branches of plants much smaller than you. Observe the plants. Okay. See the stem and branches of the plants which is much smaller than you. Plants that are about your size and plants which are much taller than you. Okay. Feel their stem and try to bend them gently to see if they are tender or hard. Okay. See, try to bend it and you may observe that whether it is tender or hard. So, see, if you do this activity, you may understand what are all the types of plants or what are the stems that plant is having. Okay, come we will go to the next page. See here children, categories of plants. Come we will see. See, we will observe. I told no activity we did no. See, if we observe tomato plant, okay, see it is short in height. No, short in height and it has green stem and it is very tender. We can bend it. Okay. So, that type of plant is called herb. What we call it? Herb. Okay. It will have what? A short, it is short plants having green and tender stems. Okay. And if you take mango tree, it is very tall. Okay. It is mango plant if you take, it is very tall. And it has very thick and hard stem, okay, okay, higher up on the stem, okay, higher up on the stem, the branches appears on the stem, okay, that is why we call it as tree, it is a mango tree, we can't call tomato tree, it is a tomato plant, we call it as tomato plant, not tomato tree, but we can't, what, mango plant, mango tree it is, mango tree, okay. It's a tree. Lemon, if you take lemon plant, okay, it's about about your height, okay, it is not small, it is not big, tall, okay, it is not short, it is not tall, it is about medium height, okay, and it has hard stem, and also it has hard stem, but thin it is, thick, thin and hard stem. That type of plants are called shrub, okay. That type of plants are called shrub, and you may observe so many plants around you and you may try it. If you take coconut, so it will very tall, okay, coconut plant, and it has very thick and hard stem. That is why we call it as tree, okay. For example, you take that tulsi. If you take tulsi is what? Very short, okay, and it is a green and tender stem. That is why we call it as what? Herbs, okay, herbs. So, take care that the stem does not break. Hug the tall plants to see how thick their stems are. We also need to notice from where the branches grow in some plants, okay. Close to the ground or higher up on the stem. The branches will grow close to the what? Yes, close to the ground. In some plant, the branches will come what? Close to the ground. Okay, in some plants it will higher up on the stem. Okay. So, now see, if you take the table, we may arrange some more plants. If you take as an example, we may what? Group all the plants, okay. Understood? Understood, children? So, based on these what? Based on these categories, see here, based on the height, based on the stem, based on the branches where it appears, we can classify the plants, okay, into three categories. What are they? Herbs, shrubs and trees, okay, herbs, shrubs and tree, okay. Look here, see here, this is a herb, okay, herb plant, okay. This is a shrub plant, this is a tree, okay. Herb, shrub, tree. This is a what? Herb plant, how it looks like. It's a shrub plant, how it looks like, okay. This is the tree plant, okay, it's a tree. Understood, children? So, based on the category of its height, stem and where the branches appears, okay, we can classify the plants into three categories: herb, shrub and what? Trees, okay. Come, we will go to the next page. Plants with green and tender stems are called herbs, okay. Plants with green and tender stems. Tender means very soft. They are usually short and may not have many branches, okay. They won't have any branches. Those plants are called what? Herbs. Some plants develop branches near the base of the stem. The stem is hard but not very thick, okay. Such plants are called shrubs, okay. The shrubs have thin and hard stem, and it what? The branches what? Develop near the base of the stem, okay, near the base of the stem. So, these type of plants are called what? Shrubs. What? Shrubs. Some plants are very tall and have hard and thick stem, okay. The stems have branches in the upper part much above the ground. Such plants are called trees, okay. The plants having thick and hard stem having branches up what? In the upper part much above the ground are called what? And which are very tall are called trees, okay. Understood, children? So, based on the above characteristics, we can classify the plants, okay, as herbs, shrubs and trees, okay. Plants with weak stems that cannot stand upright but spread on the ground are called creepers. See, some more plants are there, like see here, money plant, beanstalk. Look here, money plant, beanstalk, gourd plants and grapevines you take. If you take, those plants cannot stand upright but can spread on the ground, and they have very weak stems, okay, and then they cannot able to what? They cannot able to stand upright, okay, and because of its weak stem, and it can spread on the ground. Those type of plants are called creepers, while those that take support and climb up are called climbers. These type of plants, some plants will take support, okay, and they will climb up. They are called climbers, okay. These are different from herbs, shrubs and trees because they are what? They are having very weak stems and they cannot what? Stand upright, okay, and they are spread on the ground. Those are all called creepers, and which we can climb with the support are called climbers. Okay. So, we may classify the plants into what? Yes, herbs, shrubs, trees, creepers and climbers. Okay, creepers and climbers. Understood, children? See here, children, this is a climber plant. What it is? Climber. With the support, it has very weak stem. Okay, it cannot able to stand upright. So, with the support of something, it will climb up. So, these type of plants are called climbers. What? Climbers. Understood, children? So, we can classify the plants into climbers, creepers, herbs, shrubs and trees.